Welcome back to the channel, guys, and for today, we will compare Stan.store and Pensight. In this video, we are going to do a comparison of their features, pricing, and ease of use to determine which is best for you. We'll also provide exclusive affiliate links for a 14-day free trial of Stan.store and a 40% discount on the first 2 months of Pensight Pro. So, let's get started. Let's start with Stan.store. Stan.store is designed as an all-in-one mobile-optimized storefront with a heavy emphasis on simplicity and speed. Its core purpose is to help you start selling as quickly as possible. The platform's main features include the ability to sell various digital products, offer services like one-on-one coaching through calendar integrations, build an email list with simple opt-in forms, and create basic sales funnels to guide your audience from a freebie to a paid offer. Stan also provides essential analytics to track traffic and sales, making it a highly effective and straightforward solution for creators who prioritize ease of use and a quick setup. Pensight, on the other hand, presents itself as a more comprehensive platform, particularly suited for coaches, educators, and creators looking to scale. It includes all the foundational features that Stan.store offers, but builds upon them with more advanced capabilities. With Pensight, you can create robust, multi-module courses complete with video lessons and quizzes, offer flexible coaching packages including group sessions, and establish recurring revenue through membership and subscriptions. Furthermore, Pensight allows you to host webinars and live sessions directly on the platform, providing a more integrated solution for creators with complex offerings and a desire for deeper community engagement. When comparing pricing, both platforms offer competitive entry points. Stan.store typically features a creator plan at around $29 per month, which includes all its essential tools, and a creator pro plan at about $99 per month for more advanced funnels and marketing features. Pensight also has a pro plan in a similar $29 per month range, which notably includes many of the advanced features like course creation and memberships. Pensight also offers a free, feature-limited basic plan for those just starting, along with a higher-tier business plan for larger operations, making its pricing structure slightly more flexible depending on your stage of growth. In terms of usability, Stan.store is renowned for its exceptional ease of use, allowing creators to set up a fully functional store in as little as 15 minutes with its clean and intuitive interface. This makes it incredibly effective for beginners or anyone who wants a no-fuss, powerful tool. Pensight is also user-friendly, but its broader feature set naturally comes with a slightly steeper learning curve as you explore the more advanced tools. In terms of effectiveness, your choice depends on your business model. Stan is ideal for direct sales of products and services with maximum simplicity, whereas Pensight is more effective for building a scalable knowledge-based business with diverse offerings like courses and memberships. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your specific needs as a creator. You should choose Stan.store if you are a beginner, value a quick and straightforward setup, and your primary goal is to sell a handful of digital products and book individual coaching calls. Conversely, you should choose Pensight if you are a coach or educator planning to build out more extensive offerings like in-depth courses and membership programs. Pensight is the superior option if you anticipate needing more advanced features to scale your business and want to manage a wider variety of services from a single platform. To help you get started, you can take advantage of special affiliate offers for both platforms. If you decide Stan.store simplicity is the right fit, using the affiliate link provides a completely free 14-day trial to test all its features. For those leaning towards the more robust capabilities of Pensight, a special affiliate offer grants you a 7-day free trial plus an exclusive 40% discount on your first 2 months of the Pensight Pro plan. This significant discount allows you to explore its premium features from course building to membership management at a fraction of the regular cost, providing a fantastic opportunity to launch and grow your creator business. As a bonus, you will also receive a comprehensive package with over 50 digital product ideas to sell, 5 proven strategies to drive free traffic to your products, and a complete step-by-step blueprint to help you set up your store and start selling. To claim the bonus, use the affiliate link to make the purchase and then email your receipt to bonus@toolist2.com to get all the bonuses mentioned. You can use the subject ClickFunnels bonuses and mention that you bought ClickFunnels using the affiliate link. You can attach the invoice as a confirmation. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of Stan.store and Pensight. I hope this video has made your decision a little easier. Don't forget to click the links in the description to grab your free trials and discount. Let me know in the comments which platform you're going to choose and why. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.